This credit spread won before the markets even opened the next day, and I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. What's going on, everyone? My name is Tony. I'm a trader and coach over at Real Life Trading, where we help everyday people learn how to use the stock market to create consistent income safely. Also, welcome back to another week of the $200 Strategy Challenge, where every week I post a video and show you the exact credit spread that I placed with real money and show you exactly what happened. Win or lose, no hiding anything. This week was a bear call spread, and it was one of the easier wins I've had, not because we got lucky. It's because we sold it at the right location, and that's what I want to break down for you today. I'm going to show you the exact price action I was reading before I placed this specific trade, and also show you the specific things I look at to decide where to sell my spread. Because when you sell a credit spread at the right spot, you win quicker and you're safer the entire time you're in the trade. So let me pull up the charts and walk you through exactly what I saw and exactly what I did. Okay, so we just got filled on this trade. So let me walk you through why I did what we did. So at the start of the day here on Monday, I marked out my expected move. So the high of this week was 69.40, low this week 66.30. So when this thing bounced back up, we had a strong gap down, we bounced back up, we went ahead and sold a bear call spread. The trend is bearish, and so I want to stay with the trend on these credit spreads. That is a really huge factor and edge that we have here inside the community that I walk you through live every week, is showing you how to read this trend so you can sell on the right side of it. If we are wrong and the trend reverses and goes back bullish, then we are far enough out of the money that we should be just fine. Statistically, markets should not get up above 69.40 this week, and we sold well above that. So there's a good cushion that we can protect ourselves against. If this thing decides to run and go bullish, we are going to be just fine. Now, we just barely got filled on this spread here, right here. It's gone a little bit higher, but here's our fill at 55 cents. It's currently sitting around 60 to 65 cents. That's why we're down a little bit on our P&L, because it's gone a little bit higher. But with credit spreads, it's going to fluctuate like that. That's normal. Don't stress too much about that. We went ahead and got filled at the price that I feel like I had the best chance to get filled at for the entire community. And so that's what we did there. And taking the trade at 0.55, again, got filled about right here, and it's gone a little bit higher. So I think bears should be in this area, go sideways for a little bit, and we should win. As long as it stays below this area right here, we are fine. And that is the beauty behind this strategy, is we don't have to be right. It can go bullish, and we're going to win. It can go sideways, we're going to win. It can go down, and we're going to win. As long as it doesn't make it up to here, and we use the probabilities, we use delta, we use the expected move to put every edge in our favor to tell us where to sell and to be in the right place at the right time. With the markets making lower highs, lower lows, I believe that bears are starting to take over, higher chance of sideways to down. We sell that trade, rinse and repeat every single week. That is our setup so far this week. Let's see how it plays out.
Order filled.
All right, it is the next day here, and we had a massive gap down. The probabilities on the price action told us that sideways to bearish was the play, and it worked out. And so with this strong gap down, we were able to capture a whole lot on this thing. I ended up getting out for 0.15 here, and it ended up being a fantastic trade. These are the type of trades you could just hold and let these things expire on. I don't do that very often. It's totally welcome to. This was a great win regardless. And so very happy with how this whole thing played out. So here's our community here getting filled on this trade here. A lot of people at 0.15, some at 0.1. Big time win. This is how you turn the Monday blues mentally around. Now you can look forward to doing this strategy every Monday. That's awesome. Great start to March. Yes, it is. That is awesome. Really, really cool to see the community excited to win on this. Some of you getting filled at 0.1, which is really, really cool. So we ended up making more this week than we normally do, which is nice. And we'll have, some weeks are a little bit less than the $200 goal, but other weeks are more, right? The past few weeks have been 210. We were able to walk out of here at 240 since we had this massive gap down that just helped us to win a little bit better on this. So this was the trade here that we took. These are the trades that we've had so far for the past few months. As you can see, it's just an extremely consistent strategy. But what makes this so special is what I teach you every single Monday live is the trend. Most people just sell credit spreads because they're like, well, I'll just sell it when it's far away and it'll work because of math. Yes, we put the math in our favor, but we also put price action in our favor. So remember, whenever this thing ran up, we sold a bear call spread because the probability was sideways to down. We want to stick with the probabilities, and we had a game plan if we were wrong. And so with the addition of price action, this is where this strategy really starts to get special. And this is what I show everyone how to do live every single Monday. So again, check out the links down below if you'd like to come check that out with us and trade this live with me. Learn this right alongside me live, watching my screen as I trade this, as I set it up, to show you exactly how to implement this price action into the trading, so that way you can increase your odds of winning even more. Because when you're on the right side of these spreads all the time, you can win on these so fast. But when you're on the wrong side, price action also tells us that, so that we can hedge this even quicker, sell it in the right location, and increase our win streak. So the win streak continues. Again, I'm not some like genius trader and I'm only one that can do this. It's like, no, it's just the system. It's the strategy. And once you learn that system, you can replicate the results. Anyone can do this. I've taught this from 18-year-olds all the way up to 96-year-olds, right? It's not about who's smart enough or who's not. It's simply, can you follow a system? Come here, learn this system. Once you learn the system, implement this system, and you'll start getting those results. Intelligence is not a factor on this. It's more about having the right system that I took a decade to build, learning that system, following it to get the results in trading that you are after. So check out the links down below to start your 30-day free trial. Come trade for free, no commitment, no charge, and watch my screen every single week while I walk you through these trades. I post them here to be authentic and real, so you can see the good, the bad, the ugly. You can go back on the playlist and watch my weekly credit spreads, the ones that have worked, the ones that haven't, how I've mitigated those losses. They're all there in the playlist. Check those things out. I will see you next week to walk you through the trade that we took again in this community. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and come check us out. Come join our community for free for 30 days and learn this system, change your life. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you next week.